Ruger 1022 Takedown. Sweet Ruger 22 pie.
You see what I'm hitting, right? Third target on the top. I'm not shooting a bull. I'm shooting that third target on the top.
That's not bad for 50 yards. There you go. Now, a lot of the takedown rifles had some problems with staying accurate. So what Ruger did is put this adjustment on here, which that lets you snug this thing up and will keep you on target. All right, not bad.
Not bad.
Good shooting. Ruger 1022, guys. You can find one, pick one up. They're really good shooting rifles now. And you got, what, 2 cans down there?
Yeah.
I see them. See if you can hit them with that 22.
One.
Good job. All right.
You didn't think I was going to hit that, did you?
No, I didn't think you were going to hit it.
Let's just make it a little harder. Come on back.
All right, we'll go back. All right, here we go. There you go. Good show, man. What do you think about that rifle?
Tell you what, it shoots. It's accurate.
Good job, Greg. Fun, fun, fun. That is really sweet. Let's pack this 22 rifle back up. So we'll lock the bolt back like that. We'll take her apart and put our barrel there. Our receiver and buttstock here. All right, close that up. Zip her up. In a nice little neat package. And that's it right there, guys. Oh yeah. Guys, if you like this video, please like, favorite, and subscribe. And remember, Big Daddy
And Little Daddy.
love you. Hoorah. Take care, guys. Have a good weekend.